Hey guys, not a very big Aldi haul, but I did get some things, so I decided I would record it. And I did get some things not from Aldi as well, like this Starbucks blend, breakfast blend coffee. I was out of coffee. It was a horrible morning. I had to drink a Bang. And then I got the Bangster Berry Bang. I like to keep these as backups in case like I don't have time to make a coffee or something. Lemon Drop, Black Cherry Vanilla, and Rainbow Unicorn. This and Cotton Candy are my favorite, I think. So I got these, and then I got this Daisy Sour Cream because the Aldi Sour Cream has 2 carbs. This only has 1 carb. So I got this. I got this ground beef. And Aldi did not have chorizo, so I had to get this chorizo. This chorizo is 2 carbs. Kind of disappointed because I could find it less, but I didn't want to keep going to store. What else did I get from there? That's all. Oh, and I got this shredded mozzarella cheese from Country Market. Then I got this uncured ham. I think you get 6 slices for 2 carbs. That's a lot better than what some of them are. So I got some of that. I got some sliced mushrooms. I've got some kosher baby dills that I've already broke into. I got some kosher dill spears. I'm making keto ginger's chili tonight, so I needed an onion. That's also why I got the chorizo in this. Aaron does the keto, is constantly eating this chili and it looks so good. I got some broccoli. I got some tomato paste, some fire roasted tomatoes for the chili, some pork sausage patties. These are 1 carb. I just needed a red pepper, but Aldi didn't have just that, so I got this tricolor pack. Also this roast beef, which is 0 carbs from Aldi. I needed more romaine and some spinach, some unsweetened almond milk, and then I needed this beef broth for the chili. I needed some bacon. I was out, so I got 2 packs of bacon. And then I got a bunch of these. You guys, please don't mind my table. My table, it's clean. It's just stained and stretched up. It's very old. It's the oldest piece of furniture that I have yet to replace in my home. So I got a bunch of mozzarella cheese and some sharp cheddar squares. And that is all I got that is keto friendly. I did get a couple other things. So yeah, guys, that's it. That's what I got picked up this week for keto. I'll probably maybe have to go to get just a few things here and there throughout the week, but I have a lot of meats left over and stuff, so I don't really need much this week. And that's it. Make good decisions, guys. Bye.